Good to be here. Good to see you all. Talk a little bit about, very briefly, about budget. We have worked with the tourism response team, and the members are here to make joint and comprehensive submissions to Ministry of Economy with agencies like SOFTA and FITA together. There's still room, Minister this morning said in Singatoka that there's still room for last minute submissions. No.
Only over here.
But the submissions and suggestions need to be made with the new paradigm in mind and new structure and new reality in mind. It does not help if singular submissions are made on taxes and all that. We are officials in Ministry of Economy and all that are very aware of the revenue side and expenditure side. However, what is encouraged is to give a value proposition in terms of what you could attract if the markets open, and be able to sort of offer a comprehensive package that is attractive when Aussies and the Kiwis, for example, the Bulla lane opens, the Bulla bubble opens, and we are able to house them or attract them, because as the Minister pointed out, we share a very small percentage of the Kiwis and the Aussies outbound market. So we need to sort of look at those things and look at our business model and ensure that we are competitive. We need to be competitive not just because of other markets in Asia, but the Australian and New Zealand government are also encouraging the consumption of domestic tourism. So before they open up international travel, they are encouraging Aussies and Kiwis to partake in domestic tourism and fly to South Australia or Tasmania and other islands, and those prices are also highly competitive. So we look forward to questions from you and suggestions from you, as the Minister said. I would make one other comment. Some time ago, I think 2 weeks ago, we announced concessional loans for Fijian micro and small medium enterprises. We have a team from MSME Fiji here that can give you the forms and also assist you in filling forms. We have a helpline number also, and these forms are available in all the legal aid offices and BDM offices, and also, of course, district offices. So far, a lot of forms have been taken, but the take-up of the applications has been very low. So these are concessional loans of up to 21,000 for companies that are having difficulties right now in terms of rent, cash flow, and other commitments they have. There is also opportunity here for micro businesses to also obtain assistance, and some of the micro ventures to start up also. So you may have a skill which you were employed with, and the Minister always uses the example of a pastry chef that may have been employed in the tourism industry, but is now on leave or leave without pay, or is no longer employed. So they can start up a business using this funding, and they can get a funding up to 7,000 as a micro business, and get into business and use their skill to start their livelihood. So the number and the email addresses for the forms are with us. Please contact me or any of my team that are here at the back.